Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have a very relaxing craft for you. It's part craft, part spa. It is a herbal tub tea. And what you do is you take this fabulous little sack and you put it on your faucet and you let the warm water, you don't have to go hot, 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 so you don't scald yourself when you get into the tub, but the warm water will release all the herb essence that's inside here. And I'm going to teach you how to relax with this little bag right now. For this project, you will need herbs such as rose petals, lavender, calendula, chamomile, lemon balm, sage, peppermint, jasmine, Epsom salts, spoon, a flexible cup, tablespoons, 3x4 natural cloth drawstring bag. So it's very, very simple what we are going to do. Now, there are many, many mixtures that you can have. This one is going to be a soothing bath one, but you could also do invigorating ones. It just depends on the different herbs that you use. I mean, some of them are made to like brighten up your skin, and some of them are made to soften your skin, and some are made to just let you relax, and some are made to cure headaches and stuff like that. And I will have on my website an entire list of recipes for you. First thing you're going to do is just open up your bag here and make sure that it is wide open like that. Pull out the little strings that are inside and set it aside to get ready. Now, in your cup, and I do want you to have a flexible cup. Now, this can be a paper cup or it can be a flexible plastic cup. You do want to make sure that it's flexible. We're just going to take 2 tablespoons of each herb and of the bath salts. God, I love the smell of this lavender. It smells so good. We're just going to place it in the cup. And the bath salts help to make it soothing on the body. And the lavender, oh, it just smells so good. When you get that in the hot water, oh, it's just so amazing. Now, what you're going to do is just stir this up. And then take your bag, open it up, squeeze your cup so that you get it making its own funnel, basically, and then pour in the herbs. And then once it's inside, just kind of shake it around a little bit. Smoosh it with your hands if you want to. Then pull it shut. Pull the little drawstring shut. Now here's the thing about these. You can actually use these a couple times. So if you want to use it 3-4 times, that's totally fine. What you want to do is just make sure that you take it out in between bathings, and you want to let it dry really, really good. So you want to like take it out, put it on a paper towel, get the moisture out, then kind of push everything till it's like it's at its thinnest, like just kind of separate it all out as best you can, leaving the drawstring shut, of course, and then let it dry. And that, you know, it doesn't take long, make overnight, and it'll be ready the next day. Okay, now we're just going to tie this off, and now it's ready to hang. Now, you're going to hang this over your faucet and let the water pour over it. But if you want to, if you don't want to do it that way, or if you don't have a faucet that'll allow you to do it, if you have one of those weird faucets, what you can do is take a rubber band or another piece of string and tie this shut, like here. And or you can just take this and wrap it around itself and pull it through like that so that it ties it off. And then you can just throw it into the tub with you. But you don't want to allow this to come open, so that's why you want to tie that off. This smells so good. The lavender, I just cannot wait to get this in the tub. And I have to tell you, I have personally tried these and they are amazing. I took a bath and I came out feeling like literally a limp noodle. So if you want to give it a try, I guarantee you are going to feel awesome afterwards. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com. And let's soak our troubles away.